Open Download Manager and select Custom Style option. You will see new field for your style. Open MapBox Studio on MapBox website. Press New Style button and select Base Template Style. Now you can edit many map parameters for create unique style. Let's edit something, for example. Now you have to set Mercator projection for getting correct maps. Now you have to publish this map. Copy preview link. Paste it to Download Manager field and press Add button. You can immediately download maps with this style or add it to list. Named it and press OK. Now this style will appear in the general list and you can use it quickly at any time. Press Open MapBox button and find your location. Map will be open with your style. Copy link from your browser and paste it into a special field in the Download Manager. Press Get Maps and wait until the download will complete. Thanks for watching.